we going for lunch?
To Taco Truck!
Taco Truck! Nom 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 nom. Here we go. And then on another plate, I want a chili relleno and one taco pastor. Can't you find the one you want?
What?
Can't you find the one you want?
I'm looking for
So what did you get?
tacos. Pastor.
Nom nom. What'd you get to eat?
Chili relleno and strawberry shortbread.
Yeah, jarritos. What's that?
I got a scar on my leg.
I got lots of scars. Scars just mean you lived your life and didn't play it safe. They're badges of honor.
I was jumping off rocks into the lake yesterday.
Yep. Tacos al pastor, chili rellenos. Yum.
Hello, it's yummy.
Is that nummy? Are your tummies happy? Yeah. So it's time for a segment I'm going to call Get to Know Leanna. Are you ready? All right, Miss Leanna. What is your favorite food?
Pickles.
Pickles. Okay. And what's your least favorite food?
Mashed potatoes.
I know. Where did I go wrong as a grandparent? Okay. So, when the weekend comes, what's your favorite thing to do? Swim. Yeah. And what's your least favorite thing to do? What was that?
Take a nap.
You want to take a nap right
Blech.
now? Okay, your least favorite thing to do is take a nap. All right, what's your favorite Disney movie? Pocahontas. And what's your least favorite Disney movie? Had a hard one?
That's not fair.
Okay, you don't have to have a least favorite one. Leanna, who's your favorite YouTube star?
Justin Scar.
Justin Scarred, and why is that?
Because it's
Weird. All right, to start with, when you get out of school in the afternoon, what's your favorite thing to do?
take a nap.
Take a nap? Okay, what's your least favorite thing to do?
Clean my room.
Clean, oh yeah, I figured that. What's your favorite food?
Sushi.
Sushi. What's your least favorite food?
Mashed potatoes and gravy.
I'm an utter failure as a grandmother. Oh my goodness. Okay, what's your favorite movie ever?
Very first Disney movie called Snow White.
Okay, and what's your least favorite movie ever? Of any kind of movie? Aurora. Okay. Okay. What's your favorite ride at Disneyland? Yeah, you thought about it?
Yeah.
What's your favorite ride at Disneyland?
Mr. Toad's Wild Ride.
Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. And what's your least favorite ride at Disneyland? It could be a ride that you haven't gone on.
California Springs.
California Screaming, yeah, because you would not go on that with me last summer. And finally, who's your favorite YouTube show in the whole world?
Smelly Belly TV, shout out to you guys. I love you.
Okay, great. And that's it for our segment with Let's Meet Renee. You ready to have some fun?
Yeah.